khi tân tổ đặt giá tràn
từ gai dầu khai
đặt khi tân tổ đặt giá tràn
từ gai dầu khai.
Hello and welcome to week 19 of Radio Kai. We hope you enjoyed last week's show.
On last week's show, we interviewed Martin from Mancap Morn, if you remember. And this week, we got all our features, such as a mystery song, where we play 5 different songs, and you have to guess which songs they are. We got Oshan with the birthdays, and we also got Ethan with the transport feature, where he gets you from A to B this week. And it's a surprise where he's going to take you. Also, we got Guess a Year, and we also got Corey on the piano this week. Also, we got News Around the School with Ethan, and News and Sports with Max, Peter and Ethan, and our interview. And this week's special guest here on Radio Kai will be heading down to Kiko's to interview Ricky. If you know what Kiko's is, it's a store that sells cakes in Llangefni, and we'll be interviewing Vicky from there today, aren't we, Gordon?
Yeah.
Aren't we, Oshan?
Yeah.
So, we should start off this week with a bit of Louis Armstrong, yeah, Dylan?
Yeah.
Want to say the song?
What the wonder world.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Was Louis Armstrong there with What a Wonderful World here on Radio Kai. Now we are moving on to our mystery song feature, where we play out 5 different songs from 5 different decades, and you have to guess which songs they are.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery boy. Mystery boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
A burning ring of fire went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burns, 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 the ring of fire.
Song number 2 for the week.
YMCA, it's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have
Number 3 for this week.
Listening to the words that you sing, getting harder to sing. When I see you.
Song number 4 week.
Number 5 this week.
Let it take you
And just go with the magic, baby.
We hope you got all the sound effects. And the next song is Let It Go by Passenger.
Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. Staring at the bottom of your glass, hoping one day you'll make a dream last. But dreams come slow and they go so fast. You see it when you close your eyes. Maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Staring at the ceiling in the dark, same old empty feeling in your heart. Cause love comes slow and it goes so fast. Will you see her when you fall asleep, but never to touch and never to keep? Cause you loved her too much and you dive too deep. Where you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. Oh, 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 oh. And you let her go. When it starts to snow, only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
I hope you enjoyed the last song. The last song was Let Her Go by Passenger. Now I've got the birthdays and I will tell you at the end of my birthdays what's the answers. Basically the answers like the names of the birthdays, who's having a birthday. I hope you enjoy this week's birthdays. Number 1 of this week is, she is a TV show host that is apparently English television host on The Voice UK. Oh, okay. And this morning, morning, and celebrated she has hosted a number of programmes on BBC One plus ITV. Before fame, she began modelling as a teen after being discovered at age 14. And apparently she is 44 years old, apparently. And she lives in Brighton, England. Everyone knows where Brighton, England is? Well, anyway, it's a good place, Brighton. Where do you go over anyway? She earned the 2010 National Television Award nomination for Most Popular Entertainment Presenter. She had 3 children, Harry, Belly and Chester. Chester, with Dan Baldwin Wong, she married in... No way. In 2007, she became very close friends with television personality Fiona Cotton. So, this person is with Phyllis Goldfield, apparently. Well done, Dion, for telling me that.
Thank you, Walter.
Number 2 of this week is, he is a pop singer, apparently. He lives in Stoke-on-Trent. Stoke-on-Trent! I've been there millions of times. Well, I've been to England a lot anyway. England. He is a 51 years old. He starred of the boy band Take That. He set a world record when he 2006 solo 16 million concert tickets in one day in 2006. Wow, well done you. For fame, he attended Mill Hill Premier School and played the Artful Dodger in their production of Oliver. He joined the Take That in 1990. His apparently 1998 single, Millennium, became his first number 1 single in the UK, apparently. He married Ada Field on August 7, 2010. They have a son named Charlton and a daughter named by Theodora. In 2008, they welcomed a daughter named Coletta Kovia Shogar. No idea what I just said there. His friend Elton John took him to a clinic to face... Oh, poor you. He had a drug abuse and depression problems. Oh my God. Terrible. That's just terrible to hear that. Oh my God. I wonder if you're alright now. And yes, that's all for the second birthday of this week. Now, here's the number 3 of this week. Apparently he is a rock singer. He lives in Oakland. What is it, Ethan?
Near San Francisco in the USA. It's where the Southern Pacific Railroad's main terminus is at.
Thank you, Ethan. He is 52 years old. He's a guitarist and a singer who co-founded the punk band Green Day, whose anti-war album, American Idiot, stop swearing, won a Grammy and 6 other music awards. He is joined in Green Day by drummer Trey Cool, bassist Mike Dunt, and guitarist Jason White. Before fame, he wrote his first song when he was 5 years old and met Mike Dunn, one of his future bandmates, in his elementary school cafeteria. He and Dunn from 3 children, which eventually became Green Day when they were 15 years old. 15 years old and starting a band. Goodness me. He married Adriana Armstrong on July the 2nd, 1994. And they had 2 children together, Joseph and Jacob. Band collaborated with Bono and U2. U2 on the song The Signs Are Coming. Wow. That's good. Well done, you, I would say. U2 is my band. I like U2. It's nice. U2 is really nice, yeah. Very, very music rock, I would say, is U2. Number 4 of this week is, he's apparently an ex-B singer. He is 35 years old. He's a 3-time Grammy-winning ex-B singer, songwriter, and a music producer whose debut album Trilogy was gold certified. He's had several top 10 hits on the Billboard Hot 100 list, including The Hills, Can't Feel My Face, and Starboy. He lives in Toronto, Canada. Apparently he's in America. He is 35 years old. He started gaining a following after anonymous uploading his song to YouTube in 2010. He went on to release a mixtape called House of Balloons. House of Balloons? I wish. House of Balloons, which was met with critical acclaim. He became the first artist in history to simultaneously hold the top 3 position on the Billboard Hot R&B Songs chart in 2008. He released his own Marvel comic book. Marvel comic book, here we go. Titled Starboy, based on his image. He made his film debut in the 2019 movie Uncut Gems. His real name is Abemakonnen Tesfaye. His parents are from Ethiopia and he speaks America. He's an only child. He began dating Bella Hadid in 2015. And the two have been in an on and off relationship over the years. He dated Selena Gomez for about a year before they broke up in 2017. He also dated Alice Ostionova. He started dating Simi Khadra in 2020. He was featured on the 2011 Drake song, True Love. Wow, that's a good birthday for this week. It's a very good birthday for this week. And the number 5 of this week is going to be 5th and almost the final for this week is. She is a pop singer. She lives in Worcester, England. He is 31 years old. She is a pop singer that is 31 years old on Friday. Or should I say 31 years old on the day that the radio released. English singer, songwriter who rose to prominence after performing on the first series of The Voice UK. Lucky you. She auditioned for The Voice, which a performance of John Legend. song Ordinary People. Has done many live performances for the YouTube, including the web series The Revelation. She was born and raised in Bewdley, Worcester, and grew up with an older brother. She and Leah McFall both became famous by performing on the reality show The Voice. The Voice is, we got The Voice UK judges are this year, including another massive US star and the dynamic duo will.i.am and Tom Jones. Everyone knows who's Tom Jones if you live in Wales. Are back, but this year there are no Ollie Murr and no Annie Marie. Instead, The Voice Kids' Danny Jones has been joined by his McFly bandmate Tom Fletcher in a double chair. Oh, I know exactly what song I'm going to be putting on next week. Exactly song. And that's going to be from McFly. The songs are Lose Control, My Heart Goes Crazy, What All Love Can Do, Disconnect, Outside of Love, and Remember. And there's much more, but I can stay here for like an hour or so to say it all. So I'm going to pick one more song, Forever Young, and there's a lot of more songs like History, Space, and so on. Well, I hope you all had a nice birthday of the celebrities. Now, there's one special birthday in Kybe this week, and that's going to be, this person is apparently supporting wolves. I'm just going to say this to this person if he knows. They're wolves. Rubbish in the bin it goes. So this person supports wolves, like I said, and he's in the Radio Kybe, and he's doing a sport. You know that person that you've seen on the video last few weeks? Well, let's see if you can remember who he is. And he is 18 years old tomorrow, or should I say today. I hope you enjoy your birthdays. I got the answers to the birthdays. Well, we got 5, but we got 6. So, the first one is Holly Willoughby. The second is Robbie Williams. Well, Take That, Robbie Williams. You know that person from Take That. And the third is Billy Joe Armstrong, is in Green Day. The fourth is The Weeknd. The Weeknd. So yeah, The Weeknd is in The Weeknd Band. And number 5 is Becky Hill. Well, I hope all of you celebrities are enjoying your birthdays. Now I've got one more person here in Kybe from the Radio Gun. Support Wolves, and he's doing the sport news. And his name is Peter Mardell. All of you had a nice birthdays. The next song is California Blue by Roy Orbison. If you know him, it's a good song. Bye from now.
Working
from
all
me.
day and the sun don't shine. Trying to get by, and I'm just killing time. I feel the rain fall the whole night through, far away from you. California blue, California blue, dreaming all alone, nothing else to do. California blue. Every day I pray I'll be on my way, saving love for you. my life with you on my mind, thinking of things that I left far behind. It's been so long, doing all I can do to get back to you. California blue, California blue, dreaming all alone, nothing else to do. California blue, every day I pray I'll be on my way, saving love for you. California blue. One sunny day I'll get back again, somehow, some way, but I don't know when. California blue, California blue, still missing you. California blue, still missing you. California blue, still missing you. California blue.
Here is our travelling feature with Ethan. Welcome to Great American Railroad Journeys, our only travel features theme on the travel feature. We're going from Dallas, Texas to Houston, again, in Texas. Starting in Dallas, up on the Dallas to Houston section of the Amtrak's Texas Eagle. Or if you could just take the rail replacement bus service. Now rewind back to 1937 and you're on the Southern Pacific, or rather the Texas and New Orleans, because it's a subsidiary of the Southern Pacific Railroads, Sunbeam. This time, the 1937 to 1957 streamlined consists 3 P14s, numbers 650 to 652, are streamlined like the GS2s to GS6 series, and painted in the daylight paint scheme. The consist consists as follows: the locomotive and Vanderbilt tender, the RPO, the baggage, chair cars, standard or articulated, whichever prefers, the parlor and dining lounge observation cars, which required booking in advance. But today, you don't have that kind of luxuries in 1937, and you got a rail replacement bus service by Amtrak at Houston. Be glad you're on a now discontinued Streamliner. The journey would take you 4 hours and 45 minutes, and would cost you 118 quid, or £1.36 in 1937 money. The next song is Knowing Me, Knowing You by ABBA.
Walking through an empty house, tears in my say. Knowing me, knowing you, there is nothing we can do. Knowing me, knowing you, we just have to face it this time. Breaking up is never easy, I know, but I had to go. Knowing me, knowing you, it's the best I can do. Knowing me, knowing you, there is nothing we can do. Knowing me, knowing you, we just have to face it this time. We're through. Breaking up is never easy, I know, but I had to go. Knowing me, knowing you, it's the best I can do.
Guess the year.
Developer Woody. So we just heard there, Knowing Me, Knowing You by ABBA here on Radio Camp. Now we are moving on to our Guess the Year quiz. This is where we get to say what happened in the year, and you have to guess which year it is. So first of all, Don, our biggest song of this year was...
Walking by the Fiction by Banga.
And it's a song performed and recorded by the American pop rock band The Bangles. It was released in September of this year, and it's a third single as a band's second studio album, Different Lights. It was a band's first #1 single, being certified by the Gold by the Recording Industry of America, RIAA, and was ranked the Billboard's #1 song of this year.
Wales was finished fourth in the Five Nations in the championship.
Also this year in the Five Nations, Wales beat Ireland 11-5 in the Six Nations, and it was France, I think, that won this year's Six Nations.
Biggest movie was Back Hill 2.
And the biggest movie this year sold $27 million US dollars. And the box office is $299.97 million. And this movie started Captain Andrew Bogomil, Detective Billy Rosewood, and Sergeant John Taggart, who is behind the Alphabet Crimes, a series mostly high-end store robberies.
Next song is Lifted by the Our Family.
Love to be alone without all the ache and pain and the April showers. But it ain't long before I long for you, like a ray of hope coming through the blue. When it all gets dark and then the whole thing falls apart, I guess it doesn't really matter about the rain, 'cause we'll get through it anyway. We'll get up and start again, 'cause we could be lifted, lifted, lifted. We could be lifted from the shadow undisturbable, the peace we found in a bright blue space up above the clouds, where everything is understandable. You don't have to say anything too loud. When our luck runs out again, we're all back down to solid ground. I wouldn't say I'm mad about the rain, but we'll get through it anyway. We'll get back to the stars again, 'cause we could be lifted, lifted, lifted. We could be lifted from the shadow, lifted. Oh, we could be lifted up today, lifted all the way. You and I forever, baby, lifted. Oh, we could be lifted, we could be lifted. Hey, yeah, yeah.
News from around the school.
The last song was lifted by Lighthouse Family. Here's the news around the school. Oh, apparently Ethan don't want to do that this week. So the first one for this week is we welcome back Chloe to Cane 3, and we hope Fionn settles in back in Canavina. The second one of this week is also Mrs. Jones is coming back to Canal Die on Thursday. I hope you settle in Canal Die. And also, there's Youth Club, 6:30 until 8:30 every Thursday. Come and join. It's only £1 every week. The third of this week, apparently, there's rugby every Wednesday, apparently. And it's absolutely free outside. But the downside of it, your parents have to stay with you. I don't like that, but apparently you have to do it. Fifth of this week is Chinese people coming in. Or shall I say, from Bangor Prefecture is coming in to see us on a Friday to do little activities about Chinese. I'm excited for that. Me and Dion is going to McDonald's before Youth Club on Thursday. 7th of this week is going to be well done for myself, Dion and Dylan. The Rugby Awards. Well done, all of us, I would say. I'm really enjoying rugby. It's making me so happy. And spend time with my friends as well. The next one is Rule the World by Take That. If you know that Rule the World, Take That, sing along to it.
You light the skies up above me, a star so bright you blind me, yeah. Don't close your eyes, don't fade away. don't fade away. Oh, yeah, you and me, we can ride on a star if you stay with me, girl. We can rule the world. Yeah, you and me, we can light up the sky if you stay by my side. We can rule the world. We won't break down. I will comfort you. If angels cry, oh, I'll be there for you. You've saved my soul. Don't leave me now. Don't leave me now. Oh, yeah, you and me, we can ride on a star if you stay with me, girl. We can rule the world. Yeah, you and me, we can light up the sky if you stay by my side. We can rule the All the stars are coming out tonight. They're lighting up the sky tonight for you. For you. All the stars are coming out tonight. They're lighting up the sky tonight for you. For you. If you stay with me, girl. Yeah, you and me, we can light up the sky if you stay by my side. We can rule the world. All the stars are coming out tonight. They're lighting up the sky tonight for you. For you. All the stars are coming out tonight. They're lighting up the sky tonight for you. For you. All the stars are coming out tonight. They're lighting up the sky tonight for you. For you. All the stars are coming out tonight. They're lighting up the sky tonight for you. For you.
Now we are moving on to our guess year answers and mystery song answers. So, our year for this year was gone.
1987.
And our songs for this week, our 60 song was Ring of Fire by Johnny Cash. Our 70 song was Gone.
YSDN.
YMCA by the Village People. And our 80 song was Only You by the Flying Pickets. And our 90 song was Gone.
Dana by Sunan Yada.
And our 90 song was Don't Stop Moving by S Club 7. And now we got Oshan with our answers for the quiz for this week. Take it away, Oshan.
Well done everyone this week to do the Disney character quiz. Now we'll be saying the 11 to number 1. The 11th of this week is going to be Canavtria, or should I say Mrs. Kyle's class, who didn't even do it. For this week is Mr. T Music. He got 6 out of 34 right. Well done for trying, I would say. He got 6 out of 34. Well done. Well done trying, but better luck next time. Number 9 from this week is got 23 points. It is Kate Pedward. Well done, you got 23 points. out of 34. Well done, you. Number 8 of this week is Canol Ian. They got 24 points out of 34. Well done for trying, I would say, yes. Number 7 of this week is going to be Cynaf Die. Well done again for trying. Got 25 out of 34. 6 of this week is going to be Kate Die. They got 20 out of 34, apparently. And now I will get you a top 5 of this week. The top 5 winners of this week is going to be Dwayne Wan. They got 30 out of 34. Wow, well done. You only got like 4 more to guess and you got them all right. Well done. Now, number 4 of this week is Canol Die. Plus Quintin, they got 31 out of 34. They got 3 left and they got all them right. Well done, you. The 3rd of this week is Quintin plus Canapim and Canaptriba. Well done. You got 33 out of 34. You only have 1 more to guess and you got them all right. The 1st of this week is Cynefin plus Llwyfa and Cynefina and Cynef Pedwar. They got them all right. 34 out of 34. Well done, you, for this week. Next week, we'll have a surprise quiz. Hope you enjoy this quiz, Disney characters.
This week, I'll be doing Long Nights by Finn Foster. I hope you enjoy.
Ethan here with news from around the world. First up, Lidl lifts pay ahead of minimum wage rises. Don't worry about all that. Whatever. Things are gonna be okay. Robbie Williams bought Eric McRobbie's glasses for 20,000 quid at auction. My, that's a rare auction find. And finally, huge snowfall causes a amount of chaos across northern Japan. Hope everyone's doing fine and clearing up all the snow that's been causing problems as of lately. Here's Max and Peter with the sports updates.
Although the Spurs just lost again, this weekend after them lost to the Aston Villa 2-1 in the FA Cup. Spurs manager is a guy from the anchor of things. Those was holding the manager on the Tuesday. He was those United and Man City at Rocky. England beat fun with a last minute try. Well, lost again and have shot the manager could demonstrate Rockies this year. For one, that's for new car and new team is happening in the O2 in London. Is we hopefully Master Hassan win together.
Almost done, Peter?
The Mega Fossil has even won the Super Bowl, beat the Sixers City 42 in that bowl for the week. The whale has a problem, but the whale can do something.
We were at a party. The earlobe fell in the D. Someone reached in and grabbed it. What a rock lobster! The beach. Everybody had matching towels. Somebody went under a dock, and there they saw a rock. It wasn't a rock, it was a rock lobster. The ocean, his air hose broke. Lots of trouble, lots of bubble. He was in a jam, set a giant clam.
was Rock Lobster here on Radio Kime. Now we are moving on to our interview this week. We got a very special guest this week as we welcome Vicky on the radio show.
Hi.
Hello Vicky, how are you today?
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Vicky.
Hello, Vicky.
Our first question we got here for you today is, what is your favourite part about working here in Kiko's?
Probably because I get to eat all the cakes. But other than that, I like being around people and seeing different people all day and chatting.
Ah,
That's good.
that's good, isn't it?
Yeah. About you being in a hot place or a cold place?
I would rather be in a hot place.
Which hot place would you go?
I'd like to go to Barbados. Somewhere really nice with nice beaches.
Why would you go to Barbados?
Just for the beaches and that sea because it's so blue.
Biggest selling cake so far?
Our best seller has to be the carrot cake.
Ooh. What would be your favourite cake?
Or anything with white chocolate. Or
Yeah.
Kinder.
What's your favourite cake? Go on.
Chocolate cake.
You want some?
Ooh, I think it's gonna be a chocolate cake.
Oh, mine has to be the same as here as well. Our fourth question here for you is, what do you like doing in your spare time?
In my spare time, I don't really have any spare time because I just do lots of baking in my spare time. So I think baking is probably what I do in my spare time.
What type of things do you bake except for cakes?
I do things like brownies, blondies, Rocky Road. Well, that doesn't even need baking. But yeah, all different little treats like that. Flapjacks, all kinds.
Nice, yeah. So,
Nice.
yeah, that one.
Yeah. What is your favourite music artist?
My favourite music artist, without a doubt, is Pink.
What type of song? Which favourite Pink song do you like?
Oh gosh, she's got lots of good ones, but probably Raise Your Glass.
What's your favourite song? Go on.
Ed Sheeran.
So,
I think this week I'm like Welsh of the West End.
I like a bit of Elvis and Bruce Springsteen.
Yeah. If you won £1 million, what would you do with it?
If I win £1 million, first of all, I'd go on a big holiday. I'd go to Disneyland. Is it Disneyland? In Florida? Disney World. That's where I'd go. And then buy a house, buy another Kiko's, so we can have lots of Kiko's everywhere. I think that's what I'd do.
It would be international, yeah, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you do with £1 million, Dion and Dylan?
I'll buy lots of mansions, yeah, mate.
Buy a house.
Would you buy also?
I would buy a Lamborghini.
Lamborghini, what colour?
What colour?
Blue.
Blue.
If you was a Prime Minister for a day, what would you do?
Oh, if I was a Prime Minister for the day, I'd sack all the members of Parliament. And make normal people members of Parliament.
Like us, yeah?
Yeah.
It's your dream destination.
Probably Barbados.
With all the beaches?
Yeah, and the big blue seas. I'd love that. And you know, one of them cabins in the sea that comes out of the sea, that's what I want to go on.
Yeah.
If you would be stuck in the island for 3 days, what would you take and why?
Ooh, I would take my phone. I would take cake.
Of course.
And I would take a pillow.
Oh. What 3 things would you take, go on?
Phone, a CD player, and the DD player.
What do you take also?
I would take water, food, and my phone.
Oh, you're clever.
I would take my phone, my radio, and some water.
Yeah, I think water's a good one.
Yeah.
I didn't think of that.
Yeah.
You don't think you have electricity there?
Use it as emergency.
And our final question here for you is, which song would you like to end the show off with?
Well, as it's my favourite song and it's my favourite artist, what about Pink, Raise Your Glass?
Okay, so thank you, Vicky, for interviewing us today.
Oh, thank you.
So,
Thank you, Vicky.
Thank you, Ricky.
so we'll finish off with Raise a Glass by Pink here on Radio Kive, and we'll see you next week for week 20 of Radio Kive. Take care for now.
Bye.
Right, turn off the lights. We gonna lose our minds tonight. What's the dealio? I love when it's all too much. 5 a.m. Turn the radio up. Where's the rock and roll? Party crasher, penny snatcher. Call me up if you a gangster. Don't be fancy, just get dancy. Why so serious? So raise your glass if you are wrong in all the right ways. All my underdogs, we will never be anything but loud and nitty gritty, dirty little freaks. Won't you come on and raise your glass? Just come on and raise your glass. Slam, slam, oh hot damn, what part of party don't you understand? Wish you just freak out already. Can't stop coming in hot. I should be locked up right on the spot. It's so on right now. Party crasher, penny snatcher. Call me up if you a gangster. Don't be fancy, just get dancy. Why so serious? So raise your glass if you are wrong in all the right ways. All my underdogs, we will never be anything but loud and nitty gritty, dirty little freaks. Won't you come on and raise your glass? Just come on and raise your glass. Won't you come on and raise your glass? Just come on and raise your glass. My glass is empty. That sucks. So if you're too school for cool, and you're treated like a fool, you can choose to let it go. We can always party on our own. So raise your glass if you are wrong in all the right ways. All my underdogs, we will never be anything but loud and nitty gritty, dirty little freaks. So raise your glass if you are wrong in all the right ways. All my underdogs, we will never be anything but loud and nitty gritty, dirty little freaks. Won't you come on and raise your glass? Just come on and raise your glass. Won't you come on and raise your glass for me? Just come on and raise your glass for me.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Kive, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
دقيقة الضوء بمكان كان
You're listening to Radio Kive.
دقيقة الضوء بمكان كان
You're listening to Radio Kive.